For many are called, but few are chosen. Thousands of dreamers and aspirants, but only few are chosen. The 275 who strive and stand proud as who they are today.
You have taken a bold step towards a closer or becoming full-fledged police officers.
You have given your best, and now you will harvest the fruits of your labor.
This is the proud and humble journey of the Bats Santindig.
As you are gathered here to be recognized for all the hard work and efforts you have hurdled in the past 5 months of training.
The danger of pandemic didn't seize the faith of the applicants as the postponement of the recruitment was lifted on June 2020. They were Santindig. The bond and ties of the Bats was tested over time, struggle and challenges.
It reminds me of a principle that says, the more we sweat in training, the less we bleed in battle.
Every journey is a challenge. It has twists and turns to endure.
Now that they were going to be put end on their PSBR's journey, but Santindig, another door is about to open.
Being a police trainee is already a blessing. A huge leap to belong in the organization of protectors and enforcers, the Philippine National Police. The profession you chose is the noblest, yet full of binding rules and standards. Each one of you must adhere without being a selected man.
It is a very demanding job, yes. One which demands sacrifice not only from the police personnel themselves, but from their family.
Always remember that every single step of your lives, there will always be difficulties, doubts, and fears.
Marami kayong matututunan as you go along in the service. But always remember the basic of everything. That basic training that you have had in the past 5 months and still counting, that will carry you through. The use of arms is just secondary, because what we wanted always to do is to bring those persons who violated the laws before the bar of justice.
If there were no difficulties, there would be no success. If there would be nothing to struggle for, there would be nothing to be achieved.
Today is a very important milestone in your career.
Everything marked in the history. In the midst of a threatening pandemic, it didn't spare them from climbing their ambition to become full-fledged police officers. They will reap the fruit of their labor and hardship.
You have learned the basics of our operational procedures, and these basic tactics that you've learned will carry you through.
This day is the most memorable day to every police trainee.
There were thousands of aspirants who had one desire to become one of the brave police officers of our beloved country.
With determination, you can be what you have dreamed of. Just push yourself further until you conquer the peak of your goals.